Welcome to the Padhai Bhi training organized and designed by the National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India. In this video, we will be seeing the process of filling the registration, pre and post training assessment forms correctly and downloading the digital certificate after the training. Please ensure to use the same mobile phone and the same link to fill the form on all the 3 days of your training. Also note that it is mandatory to fill the post-training assessment form to download the training completion certificate. Let's get started. Open the registration form link as shared on the PBPB Anganwadi Worker Training WhatsApp group. It will take you to the browser and the form will appear as seen on the screen. The first step is language selection. Please click on the drop down to select your preferred language from the list of 12 available languages. Once the language is selected, proceed to the second step, which is filling the Anganwadi worker registration form to register on the PBPB portal and mark your attendance for day 1. Click on the calendar to select the training start date and the training end date. Next, select your designation or position from the list. For the mode of training, please select whether the training is being conducted online or offline. Next, enter your full name as it appears on your documents. Please select your gender. Please select your category from the drop-down list. Please provide your registered 10-digit mobile number without the 0 or 91. This will be used to mark your attendance. Please click on the calendar and select your date of birth and the year of joining ICDS as an Anganwadi worker or helper. Next, first select your state and then select your district from the list provided. Please mention the ICDS project code. Please mention the 11-digit Anganwadi Worker Center code. This will be used to mark your attendance. Please select your highest educational qualification from the options mentioned. After filling out the details, click on Save and Review. On the next page, please review your answers. If you want to change any answer, then click on Edit. Else, if everything is okay, if it is correct, please click on Submit. After completing the registration, you will be directed to the Anganwadi Worker Pre-Training Assessment form, which is the third step, and you will have to access it from the same browser. This form should be filled before you start your training. All the questions are mandatory and therefore need to be answered in order to submit the form. After answering all the questions, click on the Save and Review to check your responses. If you want to change any answer, click on Edit and make the necessary changes. After reviewing and finalizing your answers, click on the Submit button. Step 4 is the Anganwadi Worker Training Day 2 attendance form. Please click on the same link shared by your course director to fill or mark your attendance. You will have to go back to the browser and access the same link. You will be asked that are you filling the form on the second day of the training? Select Yes to proceed. Select the date for the day 2 session. To proceed to the next page, please mark today's date. Once completed, click on Save and Review. After reviewing your answer, click on Submit to confirm your attendance. Step 5 is the Anganwadi worker post-training assessment form after completing training on day 3. Please click on the same link that is provided by your course director. You will be taken back to the WhatsApp group, and then you'll come to the same browser where you will be asked the question if you are filling this form after completing the training. Please select yes to proceed. All questions are mandatory and therefore need to be addressed in order to submit the form. After answering all the questions, click on Save and Review to check your responses. If you want to change any answers, click on Edit and make the necessary changes. After reviewing and finalizing your answers, click on the Submit button. The final step is reviewing your pre- and post-test scores and downloading the certificate. You will also be able to see your pre- and post-test scores for each question, and that you can access by scrolling down the mobile screen. Now after submission, you will see the confirmation message. Your post-training assessment submission has been received. Please click on the button below to download your certificate. You will be taken to the downloaded certificate, and with this, thank you for completing the Padhai Bhi training.